Today is Tuesday, October the 10th, 2023. It's another short week, right? No classes yesterday because of Hangul Day. Thank you, King Sejong. Great King Sejong. Today's news is bad. The cost of dining out rises faster than inflation. Dine out means eat out. Right? Eating out of the house, going to a restaurant to eat. And these days, I guess in Korea, it's very expensive. The cost has gone up a lot. Now, things like food, right? The price of vegetables and stuff, that price has gone up too. That's what inflation means. But the price of eating out at the restaurants is still much, much more expensive, right? So things like pizza and naengmyeon are much, much more expensive. So obviously this is bad. What about your family? Does your family eat out often? How often do you eat out? Or if you eat out, where do you go? Or where's the last place that you eat out? All right, these are questions I might ask you, so think about it. Let's check out our weather. How's the weather today?
It'll be cloudy, with a high of 24 and a low of 16. Right now it's 23 and partly cloudy.
Okay, cloudy and 24. Let's see, what about tomorrow? Oh, it looks like it's sort of
It'll
sunny.
be mostly sunny, with a high of 23
sunny.
and a low of 14.
High of 23. 23 and sunny, that's nice weather in my book. That's what I think. Today's word, berserk. Berserk, 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 berserk. Here, I'll show you this so you can write down. Here, there's going to be, here, let's see, 1 and 2 syllables, right? 1 and 2 syllables, berserk, 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 berserk. The emphasis is on the second syllable, okay? Emphasis is on the second syllable. I'll just rewrite it like this here for you. 1, ber, and then 2, berserk. We don't say berserk, we say zerk, so I'm going to write it like this. Zerk. Zerk, and this is where the emphasis comes from, berserk, okay? And you can see there's lots of different meanings. Let's go with this one, okay? So usually it's if you're very angry or you're very, very excited, right? You might say, he went berserk, go berserk. Go is often used with this. You don't need to write that down, but go berserk, okay? Zerk, zerk, berserk, berserk, berserk. So what makes you go berserk, right? When's the last time you went berserk? If you never go berserk, then what about a friend or family member, right? What's something that makes them go berserk? I want to know about it, okay? All right, so we talked about berserk, we talked about the weather, and we talked about the bad news, which is that dining out or eating out is very, very expensive these days. All right, guys, I hope you have a good one. It's going to be another short week. Today, we're having class like a Monday type class, so unless you're studying for exams, which means it's all the same to you. Anyways, have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.